dog soap today, and I'm making double oat, kaolin and Guinness dog soap. So here I'm just adding the oat milk, which is more of an oat cream. It's very concentrated. I wanted to cram as much oaty goodness as I could get in there, really. Adding that, and this is going to look like quite a lot of kaolin. It's 100 grams, so it's 10% of the oils. As I explained in the previous dog soap video, kaolin's a natural silicate. It helps with detangling. So if you've got a dog with long hair, it should naturally help with the detangling. And on top of that, kaolin makes soap have a really nice silky feel, and it will give the dog a silky feel to his or her coat. I'm giving that a really good blend in because you can get little lumps in, so I'm trying to get out as many of those as possible. And now I'm adding in oat powder, which I've made just by blending some oats with a blender into a fine powder. Giving that a quick whiz round to blend it all in really nicely. It's already thick without the lye. Here's the lye. So that's Guinness with sodium hydroxide. I don't freeze the beer, I never have done. I never have a problem, I just chill it. But I do boil it first to get out the fizz and the alcohol. So I'm bringing that to a nice thick trace. I'm not adding any fragrance. I want a nice thick trace. This is a really simple soap to make. So there, bang it in the mould, quick as you like, and then I'm just going to squiggle the top so I can tell the difference between this and the other brown soaps just by looking at them. I could tell if I could smell them, but I can tell just by looking. I'm giving it a quick squirt with isopropyl alcohol to make sure that there's no soda ash. Here's the set saponified soap, and we've got a crack in it. I expected that. There's lots of oats in there, so I suspected it would overheat, but the crack isn't a problem. I'm moulding it, and this is a beautifully firm and smooth soap. I'm not going to show you me cutting every single bar of it. This is just a plain and exciting soap visually. I'm just going to chop a couple of bars and just show me chopping off the cracked bits, which I can just plane that soap off now, and it's going to look fine. Keeping 3 for myself to give out as samples and just to keep testing. Let's have a lather test. Now this soap is less than 12 hours old, straight out of the mould, so we're going to see how it bubbles up first thing. And remember, the longer the soap cures, the better the bubble becomes. I'm getting quite a lot of lather on there for a soap that's freshly out of the mould. That's good bubbly lather.